Alright, this is our program for ECE 210. Our program is Hangman, and it's for the BB13 board. Our program consists of two parts, one being the sending board and this one being the receiving board, also known as the category board and the guessing board. So we start off by configuring our boards to connect to each other wirelessly using the XB chip. This board will first ask for a category word, which you can type in using the dip switches, while this board waits for a message to be sent from this board. So you can start off by inputting a category of your choice using push button number 1 and the bottle code that corresponds to each letter with the dip switches. And then to finalize your message, you hit push button 2. Your message can be up to 21 characters long, and then push button 3 will send the message wirelessly over to board number 2, which will display it at the top. So then back to board number 1, it will ask you what the word that you're thinking of is, and once again you use the same method to input the letters. It can be up to 20 characters again. Board number 2 is waiting for you to send the word, and once you're done with your message, you can once again finalize the message with push button number 2 and send it with push button 3 wirelessly. Then this board will wait and tell you to wait for the second player to guess your word. So you're done with board number 1 then. Everything else will be performed on board number 2. As you can see at the top, the category is displayed. Then there is dashes corresponding to the number of letters or to the length of the word that was input from board number 1. And then there's a message that asks you to guess a letter. So we can start out by guessing a letter using the bottle code that corresponds to the letter on the dip switches. We will first guess T. To submit your guess, you hit push button 1. Okay, so if there are any T's, they will be displayed, and it will continue to ask for another letter to be guessed. Let's type in a different letter this time. If it's wrong, you will get one of the lights on the LED bar to light up. You can have up to 5 wrong guesses, which will be displayed on the left side of the LED bar. So we will continue to guess letters. We will guess A this time, and there are some A's. So now we have T and A displayed, and still 2 dashes of unknown letters. If you were to have all 5 wrong guesses, you would light up the entire left side of the LED bar, and it would tell you that you lost the game once you get that 5th strike. But if you happen to guess all the letters, like we have now, it will display a message that says you win. And that is our program for ECE 210.